Hi guys, it's Colby from Loving Life Outside the Box. Today we're in Salt Springs State Park in Montrose, Pennsylvania. And we're gonna go hike some trails. See you later.
Oh my goodness, Amelia is such a bear today. I don't know how far we're gonna make it. Hopefully she calms down for us, but if not, I guess we'll be doing something else for the day. What are you gonna do?
Oh wow, look at these. They're pennies that they pounded in there.
Like, save your pennies, man.
Talk while you do it too.
See if there's any quarters in here. Looks just like, oh wow.
The pennies are everywhere.
They put pennies.
Oh, the pennies are attacking them.
Someone put pennies. What they probably did, ladies and gentlemen, is
The rocks are
see how there's a crack in the rock?
Mom,
They put them in, then hit the hammer or something on it.
this penny's 2008.
Whoa, Bradley, I've never heard of 2008 penny.
No, that one's new. Wait,
Are you really telling me there's a 2008 penny there?
I want to see how old these old ones are. Let's see if we can find out how old this one is. Okay. Oh,
What is that?
we have a 1962. See if it focus.
If you're wondering what the arrows on the trail are for, they just had a race here yesterday or Saturday, I believe. Which way do we go? This way, or this way, or... Oh, she is still being a bear. Oh, maybe she's just chattering. What? What you doing, Amelia? So we have resorted to this. I hate to do that, but there's no off button with this one. So unfortunately, there's really no screaming it out. We could turn back, and we will as a last resort, but I'm afraid if we turn back, then the next time we go out, she'll think we can scream for an hour and just be able to turn back, which isn't really the right thing when you've got a crew as big as ours and you live as far away from everything as we do. If the big kids have something to do, we're going to do it, whether she's happy about it or not. And if we've gone somewhere to pick up supplies, we're going to get them whether she's happy with it or not, unfortunately. Of course, now I'm sure she's going to think we can latch onto that every time we're out, but at least we'll be able to keep moving forward. Gotta pick the lesser of the two evils, I guess, so hopefully we made the right call there. This boardwalk is pretty neat. I'm really liking this. Oh, another path we can take. That must be just the scenic route up here. I'm not sure. Logan, did you see us? Oh, here's a sign up here. That's silly. You could almost ride a bike up here if you felt like pushing it up the mountain. What do we have here?
Share.
A chair. So it is. Alright, we seem to have come to a crossroads again. Well, what do you guys think? We have a crossroads here. We can...
That's a dead end.
You sure? Oh, you know what? It is an overlook down here. Why don't we go and do that? Alright, let's go down and check out the overlook really quick.
Let me tell you when you're
Coming down the boardwalk. Yes, we are. What do we see down here?
people swimming.
Let's get back to them. Right down here, guys. Guys, go right down here because I can whale. Oh, yeah, we can whale.
Hi there. Well, we were going on a nice 6-mile hike that turned into maybe 2 miles because some of the kids got their shoes wet. And not just my shoes are dry.
Mine are too.
But there were some that chose to play in the creek.
Colby, Bradley, Amelia,
So,
Logan.
yeah, I think we're just gonna head back. We're gonna take a different trail back. But heading back anyway. Hiking is no fun with trench foot. So
I think they didn't bring a change of shoes though, so
I guess they
they'll
get to
have
have
to
pretty
air up.
feet.
I brought flip flops, but I didn't get my shoes wet,
I have
so
a pair of flip flops.
I have a pair of flip flops. So I came prepared. Let's go. Okay, so we came to the split in the road where you can either go up or down. I'm gonna go down because it looks a little easier. A little less like falling in, a little more like dropping the camera in the water, but let's attempt this. Whoa. I could do that, but my feet are still dry, so I'm going to not get my feet wet. Oh gosh, we came to a waterfall. Okay, I'm going up this way now. I don't want to fall down the waterfall. Let's see what this waterfall is all about. Okay, so this is the waterfall we've made it to. So we made it. This is the waterfall. I'm covering that with my hand for a reason because I don't want this video to get flagged and Colby's not wearing a shirt. So yeah. There's the waterfall. And Colby's shirt that he just took off. And Colby without a shirt on. And Bradley. I have my shirt on. Can't get flagged.
I think I've spied a cave person behind the waterfall.
My mom is going to flip off the waterfall. Look at that.
Here, we can just go this way. Whew. Back up to the lookout again. Colby and Bradley went down by the waterfalls. So we will catch up with them back at the car. There. Okay, guys. So what did you think of this hike?
It was okay.
Ow, my leg.
Very short because we stopped
Stop
and
it.
everything.
It was really
I can't
short,
see
but
any
that's
because the
okay.
room's in the way.
I don't know, everything's just kind of
It was an okay day.
Gone a little bit off. We had a really late start. I don't know how that happened.
I'm
going
okay
since
with that
5.
though. I like walking a little bit and then doing something fun and walking a little bit more.
I prefer to just bust out 15 miles in a shot, but
Well, I
not
don't
everyone
like what you
feels that way.
prefer, so.
I know. Why is that?
Because I'm just a strange person.
We're coming up on this rock. I'm going to give you another picture of it because I think it's neat. I always wonder what causes people to do this. Like, what causes people to scribble,
Maybe it was like,
I love my mom, all over public property. Like, imagine how proud mom must be.
so there was,
Really? Okay, so here we are.
Wait, I gotta say something.
What?
So there was this carving in the wood that said KW plus LB, and it had a heart around it, right? Well, we told Logan that he loved Kanye West because Logan Kanye West.
And really, how can you not love Kanye? What a stellar human being, really. Really. Okay. Who am I to judge? Right. Okay, so here's that rock. There are... Samantha, don't pull the pennies out of it. Pennies all over the place. I wonder what possessed people to start stuffing their pennies there. And now everyone's done it. It's all over the rocks and it's all over the rail.
Mama.
Don't pull, Logan. Hi, Amelia.
Hi guys, it's Cole Begin at Salt Springs State Park, and we are just wrapping the hike up. We had a very fun time. Just don't drive in the way we did. We took a dirt road, and it was not just a dirt road. If you have a little car, you will get stuck. So, please do not. But the park is very nice. So, that's it. Everyone have a nice day. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and bye.